Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh, you gotta get it out, the baby.
It's okay.
Oh, it's stuck. Okay, you're gonna have to drag it out that way. Oh, okay, let's go this way.
I'm rolling video on. It's okay. He's all right. Where? Okay. Well, they're all right. They'll get cleaned up. Yeah. Hey, buddy, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you. All right. So.
I can't believe this happened. You hear about it with other people here?
I know.
I'm freaked out right now. I can't even think straight.
Looks alright.
He looks struck. You want me to put it back and you pull him from the legs?
Yeah, well,
pull him from the back
see,
legs.
this thing is, if I just get this up and out.
You won't be stuck on the ground. So pull his back leg from you out that way.
These ones?
Yeah.
Alright.
Pull hard. Keep pulling, you got it, you got it. Keep pulling, you got it. Almost.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Almost.
Come on.
Oh, you did it. You did it. Good job. He's probably in shock.
Yeah.
Okay. If he didn't come down, he would have died. Yeah. Good job.
Is this normal?
What?
This?
No.
Okay, we gotta call it back.
Well, I'd call it better than the first second thing. They don't care. They always say come to me. I don't expect to know. Let me see. I don't know. It's hard to get it up if you can't. Just try to stand up.
There he goes. There he goes. He's good. He's alright. He's alright. Let's get him out of here. Oh, it's okay. He's fine. He's fine. He's fine. Get my gloves off. He's good. Come here. He'll be alright. You stand up walking around. He's okay. Look how big this is. Look.